chicks! Ako po si Ate Atina and welcome to another vlog. And ngayon po, comment ang video kung magugustuhan nyo ang video na to. Kasi, kaya mahina po ang boses ko kasi yan po, tulog po si tatay. Kaya na yun, sasali ulit pa tayo ng Blackpink na yun na. And comment down below kung magugustuhan nyo itong vlog na to, and subscribe din para makita nyo ang lahat na video ko sa cellphone ko. And let's start it now and highlight that dance. Oh my god, hindi ko malagay.
보란듯이 무너졌어. 바닥을 뚫고 저 지하까지 엊그처럼 잡겠다고 저 높이 두 손을 뻗어봐도 다시 캄캄한 이곳에 light up the sky. 네 두 눈을 보며 I kiss you bye. 실컷 비웃어라 꼴좋으니까 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. How you like that? You gon' like that? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. How you like that? How you like that? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Girl need a doll and that's 100. 패킷 중에 100 내 몫을 원해. Come on, get some. 딱 같지만 어쩔 순 없잖아. What's up? I'm right back. 방금 sweater cock back. Plain Jane get hijacked. Don't like me, then tell me how you like that, like that. 더 캄캄한 이곳에 shine like the stars. 그 미소를 띠며 I kiss you goodbye. 실컷